With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, this is an assertion reasoning question. Two statements are given and you have to justify these questions and find the link between the two statements if there is any. So let us see the statements. The first statement, that is the assertion statement, it is saying that transgenic mice are being used to test the safety of polio vaccine. So before any vaccine is used on the human population, we know that vaccines, they are widespreadly used by the human population to get prevention against certain specific diseases. So before they are tried on humans, first the clinical trials, many batches of clinical trials actually, they are done on animals. And these animals, they are known as transgenic animal. Why? Because here in these animals certain genes are modified, and because of these modifications the animal become more sensitive to certain specific reactions. Okay, so the animal shows more sensitive towards specific reaction, and thus because of this hypersensitivity the efficacy of the drug can be tested on such animals, so they are known as transgenic animal. In most cases, we see that the transgenic animals that are used, 95% of them are mice. So mice are the animals whose genes are mostly modified for clinical trials to maintain or to control, estimate the efficacy of a drug. Thus, this is a true statement that transgenic mice are used to test the safety of polio vaccine. Before the polio vaccine was given to the humans for the first time, it was tested on mice. Okay, so this is a true statement. Now, the reasoning statement is they could not replace the use of monkeys to test the safety of batches of the vaccine. This is a false statement, as any transgenic animal can be used. Monkeys have also been used to test the efficacy of certain vaccines, but here in this case, monkeys did not replace the mice. It was tested on mice, and these events, they were independent events. Thus, they are not linked. The assertion statement is true, but the reasoning statement is false. Then here our right statement will be that the assertion statement, the third option, the assertion statement is true, but the reasoning is false. So the correct option is option 3. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.